Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in USD JPY currency pairs. I'll be starting my analysis from the weekly time frame and slowly go down to the lower time frames, and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels in all the time frame analysis. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I am in weekly time frame now. Here when we notice the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend. The price got rejected at this level and retracement happened, but still the bullishness was there. Again it started its bullish trend. Then it retraced to the previous low. Again at this level it took support and started its bullish trend, but when we look at the bullish rally, it didn't have enough bullishness to retrace back to the previous high. Then the trend reversal happened and took support on the previous support level. Next time when it went on a bullish trend, you can notice that it couldn't break the previous resistance level also. So this level is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. So, and every time when it retraced, you can notice that the bullishness started weakening. And when we draw a trend line and check the trend of the market, it was on a very nice bullish trend. Then it broke this trend line and started falling on a bearish trend. And from this level, you can notice that the trend reversal happened and it was on a bearish trend. When we analyze the current price action, this was the lowest level it has retraced, and from here I am drawing a support line or the trend line. You can notice that current price action is in a very nice bullish trend, but it couldn't break this previous high of 125 and a trend reversal happened. When it retraced, it took support on the trend line and a bullish trend has started. So currently when we look at the price action, the current market is in a very nice bullish trend, and we already know that this level has acted as a very strong resistance and support. Here also it has acted as a very strong support and resistance, so it will take much longer to break this resistance level. Even if it manages to break this resistance level, the next level of resistance is going to be at 125, and in the past also we have noticed price getting rejected at this resistance level. Since this whole area is a very strong resistance level, we can expect the market to consolidate over this area and then retrace and take support on this trend line. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the trend reversal and then break this resistance level and go and test the next level of resistance. So currently when we look at the market from the weekly time frame, it is still a bullish market. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. So when we look at the support and resistance level, the bottommost support is going to be at 102 and the resistance level is going to be 118, and the next level of resistance is going to be at 125. And currently the price action is testing this resistance level of 118. And previously also when we look at the price action, it has gone and touched this resistance level and a trend reversal has happened. When we closely analyze the current price action, it is trading within a very nice bullish channel pattern, and currently the price is trying to break this resistance level, but I am seeing a red color candles formation, which means it will retrace, take support on this channel pattern and then bounce back. It is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this channel pattern. Even if it breaks this support line of the channel pattern, we can expect it to take support on the trend line of the weekly time frame and then bounce back on the bullish trend. And also if you notice the price action closely, it always forms a double top or the M pattern, then a trend reversal happens. So we can expect the double top or the M pattern being formed over here, then a trend reversal and retest on the channel pattern support level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. We know from the daily time frame that the current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern, and this is the higher time frame resistance level. Currently price got rejected at this resistance level and it is on a retracement. Retracement is very important for the bullish trend to continue. You can notice that it went on a bullish trend, retraced, again consolidated, then afterwards it started its bullish trend. I am expecting this sort of consolidation to happen over here, then a bullish trend to continue. Because overall we know that the current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern. And also we can notice that previously it has formed a very nice double top pattern, then a retracement. So currently also I am expecting it to form a double top pattern, then a retracement to the 100%, then continue its bullish trend. Let us draw the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and the price got rejected at this higher time frame resistance level, and it is on a retracement to gather enough momentum and bounce back and retest on this resistance level. We can expect a consolidation or a retracement to this bottommost level where it started its bullish trend, then a trend reversal to the bullish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. The price action was in a very nice bullish trend and the price got rejected at the level of 116. Now presently it is in a retracement or a bearish trend and it is trading within a bearish channel pattern, or we can also say it is forming a flag pattern, and this level is going to be acting as a very strong support. If it breaks this support level, we can expect a trend reversal and bearish trend to continue. If the price bounces back from this support level, we can expect a trend reversal and a bullish trend to continue. Again, this area is going to be acting as a very strong resistance for now. Within this channel pattern also, you can notice that price is forming double top pattern and then forming a double bottom, then going and testing the resistance line and forming a double top, again double bottom, and again forming a double top. So you can wait for it to form some sort of pattern, then go on a opposite side trades. So here also I am expecting the price action to form a double bottom, then go on a bullish side, form a double top, then go on a bearish side. So as long as it is trading within this channel pattern, you can go on a swing trade within this channel. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. These are all the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am expecting a bounce back or a bullish trend reversal from this support level of 115. So I have drawn the support and resistance levels only within this area. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here when we notice the price action, it was on a very nice downtrend. Currently the market has tested this support level of a bearish channel pattern. Wait for it to trend back and retrace on this level, then you can go on a trade on the bullish side. You can draw trend lines like this to notice the trend of the market. Once the price action breaks this trend line, you can go on a bullish side trades. Currently it is in a bearish side and I am expecting it to consolidate around here, then a trend reversal to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and I am expecting a trend reversal at this level over here. If the price action breaches this level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal, which means you can go on a bearish side trades. You can get the levels on the bearish side from the higher time frame. So use those levels for entry and exit on the bearish side trades. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your colleagues.